I actually just saw quite an interesting video about.
Today's video is going to be about the Bushcraft Essentials fire piston.
Yeah, it's actually quite an interesting video, and it's. I'm going to show a picture of it. There you go. It's basically, like 1980s dildo sized, but it's a case of. It's got a nice little piston fire stick in there. It's also got a ferro rod in the other end. So it's. I'm just looking at the company who makes them. They're in Germany, and I can't find them. I mean, it really is a case. Oh yeah, it's very simple. You just look on this. Okay, it's not in the tools. It's not in the accessories. It's not in the outdoor stoves. So where is this fire starting equipment? Is it going to, because that's the only 5 headings. Is it going to be an outlet or a lifestyle? Because it's not anywhere else. I mean, these are fire sticks, which I don't know what the hell they mean by fire sticks, because you see the word fire stick or Feuersteig in German, Feuersteig is a lighter, something that lights something. So I don't know what the hell that is. Is that something that combusts? Is it a wick? I see the hassle we have different languages trying to translate it into English. It doesn't work, so I don't know what the hell that is actually. Yeah, but the thing that came up just now, it was the camping stoves. And I was just looking at them and I'm thinking, holy crap! I was tempted to buy one of these from AliExpress because I saw them. They're like 25 pence. 25 pence. Because all it is a very thin piece of metal that folds down flat, and it's like a little piece of Meccano that you just slot it together, and it's somewhere to have a little fire. That's all it is. Now, yes, this one is made from titanium, although most people wouldn't know titanium from. And yet, how much more does it cost than 20 pence what you get on AliExpress? £228.50 plus VAT. Now, what does a star actually mean? It says a star. All prices are quoted including tax, shipping costs as always described. So that it includes shipping cost, but it's still 228 quid for what is essentially a thin metal sit on it mini fireplace. That's all it really is, because that is not going to be strong enough to put on a casserole. Maybe you can put on a litre of water to boil. Right, so they may actually charge you extra, and they're going to charge you VAT on top of that. So we're talking about 300 quid for that. Now, personally, I'd rather spend the 50p, or I'll have a quick look and see how much they were, because I'm going to have a quick look. Right, focus. I'm going to show you this now. This, it's not 50p. I didn't do an extensive search. I just had a quick look. And this one is 74 pence. But the Trump taxes means it will cost you £3.69 delivery. £3.69. So we're still talking less. Why are you focusing? It will cost you less than £5. It'll be like £4.40. And it is essentially the same. It's a bit basic, but it is the same, and it is cheap materials. So it'll cost you £4.40 to get it delivered to your door. It's a bit less than 300 quid. Now, that's the cheap version. Yeah. There's other ones like 90p. Well, that one's free shipping if you buy two. This one is titanium. So it's also titanium, the same as this. Let's not forget, £228.50. And there may be shipping cost, duty fees, and VAT, value-added tax on top. So we're talking between £250 and £300 potentially. This is 14 quid, and how much are you going to cost? Free shipping. I'm having one of those. Because, yeah, for 14 quid, and it's titanium. So it's not just a bit of aluminium. So 72 grams, folds up, flat into your hand. Bear in mind, it's a Chinese hands, unlike my great big hands. Yeah, I'm having one of those. That's going on my wish list. I mean, it is essentially just like a little fireplace, but it's a convenience thing. For something that weighs a bar, like a couple of bars of chocolate, to actually have, rather than having to go through the hassle of making a fire pit, of getting sticks together to hold a kettle on top to heat up water or to cook with. I mean, that's a definitely a very nice little thing to have.